Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this one, we are going to give you cool tips to improve the very famous Ocho Cortado.
But before going to the video, remember to subscribe, share with your friends, and like if you enjoy it.
Without further ado, let's get to work.
Okay, here we are at the dance floor and we're going to show you the Ocho Cortado step.
So, we're going to talk about different tips that we have for you. Let us show you. Just for you to see first the figure we are doing. Pam, 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 just in case you don't remember
Which one is the Ocho
which
Cortado?
one the Cortado is exactly. That is correct. So, first tip for the followers, if you want.
Yes, for the followers, if you notice the hips moves on the rock steps to the side, and then I'm bringing the leg forward without transferring body weight completely to the front. Just posing the right leg to the front, extending the more I can by keeping my body weight back on my left, not rushing the leader. Let me show you that.
Yes.
In that moment with the leader, so we go back, and this is a rock step. Rock step, leg. So if you notice, I'm not transferring body weight, so we keep the distance. And I create a nice line with my leg on the front. Later, when he keep moving back, I keep moving forward, rotating on the second Ocho Cortado, opening the foot to go back to the cross and end the step. Why I'm saying that? Because it's very common to see followers doing the rock step and going forward with the torso and the leg at the same time. If you notice, if we do that, which is wrong, don't do it. If I rock a step and go with my torso, I'm rushing the leader, I'm pushing the leader with my torso, with my frame, rushing him to walk back faster and out of rhythm.
You end up falling into the step rather than taking the step.
Plus, you don't show the lines of
Yes.
your legs.
So for the leaders, another tip here, when we are doing this, and in this case, we have different ways of doing Ocho Cortado. We have more videos you can see up here. But here's the thing, rock step. Now, I'm creating a little bit of distance. Make sure you do not cross too much this leg. I mean, don't cross that leg. The left leg is not crossing behind. It's very, very much in line. And in this case, it's almost out. Why? Because when we transfer body weight, I want to be able to have margin to pull with the right shoulder blade. If I'm too far front, she won't feel the lead. That's point number one. Point number two is that it's more comfortable to position our foot, our right foot, right here next to her right foot. Tip here, don't aim towards her foot. It's a little more towards the center, and naturally this will land close to hers. It has the illusion that we are stopping her with our foot, but we are not. We are just stopping her with the frame. Dun, dun. And the second tip is that we pull back with the left shoulder blade into the cross, to the resolution, of course. One more time, that little thing. So I'm doing 1 and 2, 3, and in line, pull with the right, and right away pull with the left. Did you notice that my left hand stays exactly in the same point? Even though my right side is leading on that direction, my left stays here. So she knows, okay, we are coming back to that position and cross. That works for open embrace Ocho Cortado and close embrace Ocho Cortado. The same thing. Big mistake for the leaders is that they don't use the left, rather they use the right pushing, which is not good.
Let's rotate so they can see all the details from the other angle. And that will happen, the rock step on her right leg here. Right and extension. Keep going to the second rock step and cruzada and resolución.
Yes.
And then for the leader, same point here from the other angle.
Side step and walk, rock and pull with the right, pull with the left, and remove right away as you pull, remove your right foot. Don't stay too long there. Zip your right foot so she has the space to get to the cross and she's not afraid of your leg being there. Cruzada, before the resolution, I tend to lower a little extra going into the resolution. So now let us show you once again with more rhythm from the other side. So we are doing 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8.
Thanks so much for watching the video.
Make sure to check out the other recommendations that we have coming up. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.